Hi Femina, I'm getting ready to attend the premiere of Devil Wears Prada 2. No, I dress for my mood, I dress for how I'm feeling. So one day I could feel like ultra glamorous, one day I could just be like comfortable, shabby chic, like it really totally depends on my mood. आज का mood है, I am channeling my inner Meryl Streep. I mean, Meryl Streep, hands down. I think just the only version that everyone gets, the most confident and the most real and the most authentic. No, I dress for my mood, I dress for how I'm feeling. So one day I could feel like ultra glamorous, one day I could just be like comfortable, shabby chic, like it totally depends on my mood. आज का mood है, I am channeling my inner Meryl Streep. Miranda Priestley. I think the only rule for fashion beauty is just be who you are, and your fashion and should be an extension of your personality as opposed to trying to fit into trends. So I guess that's it, right? Florals for summer. Groundbreaking. Oh, I think just putting on my favorite perfume. Yeah, I think it completely elevates your mood, and I think looking good is one aspect of it, but also I feel like it's just also about smelling good. It just puts you, it's an instant mood lifter. I mean, I don't know if there's a moment or not, but I feel like for me, just the fact that I've got the opportunity to work with some really incredible like international filmmakers, whether it's been Gurinder Chadda or Deepa Mehta or Zack Snyder, I feel like that's I don't know, just been a very, very fulfilling experience for me as an artist, where I feel like I've just also explored working with people from different cultures and just understanding my own, expanding my own understanding of the craft of filmmaking. Like every single time I'm just like, oh, we are late, we're 25 minutes behind schedule, or I don't know, these shoes aren't that comfortable, so I need to change them, or like whatever. I think just going out every single time is so nerve-wracking. We're always like, but of course, at the moment you're there and the cameras are on, you just put on your best smile and take a breath and you're like, okay, it's going to be fine. I'm never late, they're early. Comfortable heels, let's put it like that. I don't know, they don't exist. It's an utopian concept. We're aspiring towards that one day we will find the Holy Grail. That's all. Pressure, pressure, pressure. I think a sheet mask, water and sleep. Taking my makeup off every night, no matter what happens, no matter how tired or exhausted I am, I have to like completely like take a hot towel, put on my cleansing balm and just wipe everything off. Something that I stopped doing that actually improved my skin. I think just going to like a good dermat and just making sure I'm just not using every other product on my face and being really like nurturing my skin, I think, and a lot of moisturizer. Yes. I don't want to tell you what it is, but sometimes we have to. But I hated it. But there've been plenty, I can assure you. I think everybody has some fashion tip or advice to give you, but you just have to do you and you have to do what works for you. Peplum tops, I hate them, I hate them, I hate them.